Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos.
Video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Handheld Real-Time ECG Measurement System, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. ECG is a graphical representation of the variation in electrical potential in one cardiac cycle. This can be seen with the help of electrodes placed on either side at the chest or at the arms. This project is a low-cost real-time ECG machine using an Arduino and a single LED. The components we learn more about here are an AD8232 sensor, electrodes, Arduino Uno board and a buzzer.
Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.